First, read the immigration article with someone at home or whisper read while you listen to the recording in the next video. After you've read the article, you'll then be ready to write complete sentences or record your answers to the following questions. The first question says, why did European colonists come to America? Give at least 2 reasons. There's a sentence starter here that you can use, and it says, European colonists came to America because they wanted blank and blank. So your job is to fill in 2 reasons or more for why the European colonists came to America. Number 2 says, why did West Africans immigrate to the American colonies? You can use the sentence starter, West Africans immigrated to the American colonies because they blank, blank, and blank. So your job here is to give the 3 reasons that West Africans immigrated to America. Number 3 says, why did the Chinese immigrate to America? You can use the sentence starter, the Chinese immigrated to America because they wanted blank. So I'm just looking for one thing here for number 3. Number 4 says, what did the Chinese Exclusion Act do? You can use the sentence starter, the Chinese Exclusion Act, and then fill in that blank. Number 5 says, which 4 places are most immigrants in the 3rd wave of immigration coming from? You can use the sentence starter, the 4 places are blank, 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 and blank. So I'm looking for all 4 places that are mentioned in the article for number 5. The final question is just a sentence starter. So I'm looking for you to give me that sentence starter and fill in the blanks. Number 6 says, most immigrants have come to America with the hope of blank, 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 blank. So I'm looking for 4 words right there for number 6. If you have a question about any of this, as always, feel free to reach out through a message or come to the chat. It'll be open. If it's not open, remember you can send me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.